Hi there, Eric from pondsupply.ca here. High temperatures, stagnant water, excessive nutrients entering into that water body are what causes algae blooms. These algae blooms have toxins that can affect your fish and wildlife as well as people. They're going to deplete the oxygen and can affect us in many other ways, such as with drinking and recreation and swimmer's itch. But have you ever wondered what causes these algae blooms and how you can prevent them? Welcome to an out of the blue water quality segment where we, your water quality specialists, will tell you exactly how algae is formed and what causes these excessive blooms, as well as how you can help prevent them to keep a cleaner and healthier ecosystem for all to enjoy. So we're going to dive into it right now. Algae. This green plant-like organism has been around for over 2 billion years and is in fact one of the most important organisms on the planet. There are literally thousands of species of algae found all over the world. In fact, there are thousands and thousands of microscopic algae found in a single drop of water, and it is believed that there is more algae in our oceans than there are stars in the universe. It is also estimated that 70 to 80% of all the oxygen we breathe comes from algae. Algae is also critical in the food chain, from the symbiotic relationships with coral reefs all the way to providing food for many other aquatic creatures. However, too much of a good thing can also have adverse effects. Eutrophic conditions in our water bodies and increasing global temperatures have given rise and increased the frequency and severity of massive algal blooms on our lakes. Many of these algal blooms contain toxins that can lead to fatalities of aquatic life, pets, livestock, and even human beings. These blooms lead to a shutdown of the ecosystem by creating dead zones, consuming the aquatic life within by depleting the oxygen, leading to stagnant, otherwise known as oxygen deficient conditions. Even the red algae living in the Greenland ice sheet can account for 5 to 10% of the loss of mass due to the heat absorption from the algae. But you may be wondering, what is algae? Algae are a diverse group of plant-like organisms that occur in a wide range of environmental habitats. They are photoautotrophic cells that contain chlorophyll, have simple reproductive structures, and their tissue is not differentiated into true roots, stems, or leaves. The term algae covers a wide variety of organisms that produce oxygen using photosynthesis. Algae thrive when the water is stagnant, has high temperature, or a high concentration of nitrates and phosphates, which then can lead and suffocate other organisms within the water that are important for an imbalanced lake ecology. Algal blooms naturally have occurred for many years, typically during the hottest point in the summer. However, due to the increased temperatures and use of fertilizer, sewage drainage, and other human activities have given rise to the frequency and severity of these blooms. However, it is not all doom and gloom. And there are ways and changes we can make to limit our effects on our aquatic ecosystems. On a larger scale, being environmentally conscious in changing our behavior in the fight against global climate change and the pollution on our water bodies will go a long way. Promotion of healthy wetlands and riparian zones are also a key factor in reducing nutrient runoff into our lakes and rivers. Even in our own backyards, on your water body, a healthy riparian zone with a mixture of water-loving and aquatic plants can make a difference in the reduction of the nutrient load on your water body. As well, it will beautify your landscape. Other solutions include proactive treatments on your water body to increase oxygen levels and promoting a healthy environment for naturally occurring beneficial bacteria that will consume nutrients within the water column, there in turn reducing algae levels to a manageable and natural level. Combined, we can achieve a cleaner and healthier water body that is safe for all to enjoy, allowing the natural order of things to flourish. So that wraps that up. If you have any questions, feel free to visit us pondsupply.ca, where we will be able to help you reclaim your water body, where we will be able to take care of all those algae issues and any other issues you might have. So in order to reclaim your pond today, visit us at pondsupply.ca.